Hello and welcome to this video about graphing linear inequalities. Now we're going to be looking at a unique inequality. X is less than 1. Normally, you might think that this is going to be like a number line thing that you graph. You go at 1, open circle, like that. What we can do is we can expand this to a coordinate plane. And what we want to do is think of this as x is equal to 1. How would we graph that? Well, anytime you have x equals, we have a vertical line at that x spot on the x-axis. So we're going to go to 1, and we're going to have a vertical line right there. Now, before I draw my vertical line, get my ruler out, get it ready to go, I need to take a look at, where'd my ruler go? There he is. All right, I need to take a look at my inequality. My inequality is less than, not less than or equal to. So that means that my line is going to be a dashed line. And so I need to do a dashed line to the best of my abilities here. Perfect. All right, and then I'll put arrows to show that goes on in both directions infinitely. Next, I need to decide what side am I going to shade. So what I can do is a couple of things. One, I could look at the inequality. If it is less than, and we're looking at x equals, we're going to be going to shade the left. If it's greater than, we're going to shade on the right. So since this is less than, I'll shade on the left. And if I was uncertain about this, you can always test a point. And I think the easiest point to test would be 0, 0. So test 0, 0. And we put that into our inequality. So we'd have 0 is less than 1. And the thing is, this is a question mark. All right, this is a question we're asking. Is 0 less than 1? It is. That's a true statement. And so since that side was true, that means that we will shade the whole side there. If it was false, we would shade the other side.